Good evening. I'm Len Cannon.
And I'm Mia Grady. Good to be with you. We begin with an important day in the battle over abortion rights. The U.S. Supreme Court hearing arguments in two challenges to the controversial Texas abortion law.
Folks on both sides of this issue protested outside the Supreme Court today as the justices listened to 3 hours of arguments.
Let's go now to Marcelino Benito live in Washington, D.C. with some of the key moments from today's proceeding. Marcelino.
Well, Mia, we don't yet know how the Supreme Court will rule on this particular case. What we do know, it is clear that it's going to take some time for them to reach a decision.
Ho, ho! Ho, ho! Roe v. Wade has got to go!
Protests outside the Supreme Court as pro-life and pro-choice supporters made their voices heard.
If they're going to be pro anything, they should be pro-minding their business, because abortion is our right.
Both sides rallied as the 9 justices tackled challenges to the country's most restrictive abortion law, SB 8. It bans abortions in Texas after 6 weeks of pregnancy and gives private citizens the power to enforce it by suing abortion providers for $10,000 bounties per abortion. Abortion providers and the Justice Department argued it's designed to avoid judicial review and is unconstitutional.
To allow Texas's scheme to stand would provide a roadmap for other states to abrogate any decision of this court with which they disagree.
Texas argued the plaintiffs have no legal standing to sue.
The United States cannot seriously assert that the Constitution requires pre-enforcement federal judicial review.
After 3 hours of argument, attorneys representing Texas abortion providers emerged confident.
Several of the justices had serious concerns with what Texas is doing here, so we're looking forward to an outcome.
What that outcome will be remains an open question, but the Texas lawmakers who authored SB 8 tell us tonight they believe the Texas Heartbeat Act isn't going anywhere.
So we pray, we trust, we believe that our Supreme Court will give equal justice under law and uphold the Texas Heartbeat Act.
Now, a decision could come down in this case between now and the month of June. Next month, I can tell you the Supreme Court will be hearing another abortion case, this one out of the state of Mississippi, and that's the case that has the potential to overturn and eradicate Roe v. Wade. For now, we're live at the Supreme Court tonight. I'm Marcelino Benito, KHOU 11 News.
Yes, in the meantime, another monumental day in this battle. We'll see what happens next. Marcelino Benito reporting live from D.C. Thank you. And if you would like to hear the arguments made before the High Court for yourself, just head to our website, KHOU.com. We have posted the entire proceeding.